All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now starting trial 2 of the titration lab. I've already put the vinegar into the flask. Again, we had 10.00 milliliters of vinegar or acetic acid. I'm going to add 3 drops of phenolphthalein again to the flask to make sure that we see our end point. And I'm going to turn our magnet on. And I am going to start adding the base again. Now, our first trial was at 15.29 milliliters of base. So for this one, I'm going to add 13 milliliters really fast because we know we're at around 15 mils. So I'm going to add that 13 really fast, and then I'm going to slow it down for the last 2 milliliters there. I went a little over the 13, but that's okay. So we're going to get it at a slow, steady drop so I can really control the amount of base that I add in there. Once that pink starts to stay there longer, I'm going to add 1 drop of base at a time. The magnet part of this is nice because it's constantly stirring the acid and base for us, so we don't have to do that manually. Okay, that pink is starting to stay there a little bit longer, so I'm going to add 1 drop at a time. Ooh, we're very close. Now, it's kind of hard to see, but for this one, we do have a real light pink there. I'll add 1 more drop. We'll probably go to a hot pink. And we do. But I wanted you to be able to see that color for sure. There was a faint pink, the drop right before it. And we are super close to where we were last time. This time we are at 15.41 milliliters for our amount of sodium hydroxide. And that is it.